Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here. Team I Fix It All. Where the hell is that damn cat? Where's Bookie at?
I don't know. Bookie there.
Alright. Yeah, so trying to... No, I haven't found him. Putting in a 3-way valve on the pool so I can run a vacuum. Got that installed. Got it upgraded a little bit. Modified it. And made the handle longer. Show an X right here, showing that's the cutoff. This is an Amazon part number, but what it allows me to do is to pick whether I want water going straight from the strainer that's on the bottom of the pool into the filter system, or I can rotate this handle counterclockwise to down to here. The X points to the side that's cut off. That means I'll be sucking water from here. So my plan was, and I received today, an additional section of hose that I was going to, per one of my earlier videos, dress it into the water and underwater along the edge of the pool, hanging from a string that's tied to tacks every so often, to where I could just walk up to here, lift my hose a little bit, and plug my vacuum system in and vacuum the bottom of the pond. This is what happens when a cat sabotages you. I got this in the mail today. Lay it out in the sun to let it sort of uncoil. Everywhere there's a yellow mark, there is a leak. Why is there a leak? It's because the cat thought that was one big ass snake. So, I'll just fix it. Stupid cats sabotaging the pond. Shall see you. Bye.